You've probably heard artists say, stream my song, but have you ever wondered how much do artists actually get from Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube, and so on? Is streaming really enough to make a living as an artist? Or is it just a numbers game? In this video, I'll break down exactly how streaming platforms calculate payouts, how much artists earn per stream, and why 1 million streams might not be as much as you think. If you're an artist or a music entrepreneur, hit the subscribe button and let's get into it. First, let us clear up a common myth. Streaming platforms don't pay artists a fixed amount per stream. Instead, they use a system called pro rata revenue sharing, meaning all subscription fees and ad revenues go into a big pool. Now, here is how it works in 3 simple steps. Users pay for a premium subscription or listen to ads. Streaming platforms take their cut, usually about 30 to 40%. And finally, the remaining money is split among all artists based on total streams. Very simple. That means the more an artist is streamed, the bigger their share of their payout pool. Spotify pays an average of 0.003 to 0.005 per stream, which means for 1 million streams, an artist might make between $3,000 and $5,000, depending on the country from which they are streamed. But before the artist even sees the money, it gets divided. If signed to a label, the label takes a big percentage. If there is a producer or a songwriter, they get a cut. If a distributor is involved, they take a share too. So by the time the money reaches the artist, it's often much lower than expected. And remember, Spotify's payout rate varied by country, like I said earlier, since ad revenue and premium subscription differ worldwide. Apple Music pays more per stream than Spotify. It's about 0.007 to 0 0.1 per stream. That means 1 million streams could bring $7,000 to $10,000, which is nearly double Spotify's payout. Why the difference? Apple Music doesn't have a free ad-supported tier like Spotify. Since all users are paid subscribers, the payout per stream is higher. So if you have a fan base that actually pays for music, you'll make more from Apple. Now, YouTube is a whole different story. It pays the least per stream, only about 0.00069 per view. That means for 1 million views, an artist might earn just $690 to $1,000. But YouTube offers multiple ways to make money. Number 1, YouTube ads. If you run adverts on your video, you get percentage of the revenue. Number 2, YouTube Premium. When premium users watch your video, you earn more per view. Number 3, Super Chats and memberships. Fans can support you directly during live streams. So while YouTube streaming payouts are low, it's a great brand building platform where artists can make money in other ways. Now, which streaming platform pays best? Please pay attention. Let's compare the average payout per stream from these platforms: Apple Music, Spotify, and YouTube. Apple pays around 0.007 to 0.01 dollars, Spotify 0.003 to 0.005, and YouTube Music 0.00069. Clearly, Apple pays the most per stream, but there is a catch. Spotify has more users, so artists tend to get more streams there. Meanwhile, YouTube helps with exposure and building a fan base. So the best strategy: be on all platforms and diversify your revenue streams. Now here's the reality. Unless you are getting millions of streams every month, streaming alone won't make you rich. That's why smart artists make money on other ways too. Sell merchandise, live shows, fan subscription, music licensing, and so on. Streaming should be part of your income, not your only income. So now you know exactly how much Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube pay per stream. If you want to learn more about how to make full-time income from music, hit the like button and subscribe for more music business tips. And drop a comment below. Tell me, which platform do you prefer as an artist or a listener? Let's talk about it. See you soon.